Radar is showing heavy thunderstorms across 5 points: Madison County, Alabama, Elora, Lincoln County, Tennessee, and other parts of the area. Monitor conditions closely. This activity could intensify. Significant weather activity across multiple regions. The leading story is a flash flood warning for Jackson, Alabama, Limestone, Alabama, Madison, Alabama, Franklin, Tennessee, Lincoln, Tennessee. Heavy rainfall and flooding are the primary concerns. Multiple counties are experiencing active weather conditions across the region. We'll continue monitoring these systems and keep you updated. Russellville, Alabama is the warmest at 79 degrees.